Good morning, everybody. It's day 19. Got a nice sunrise happening. We're ready to walk to our next town. So, ready to walk? Let's go. Just leaving Santovenia. It's about 6:45 in the morning. On our way to August for coffee in Atapuerca. Look at our sunrise we got. Yay. It is 7:15 and I've reached the lovely little town of August. Been walking along with this glorious sunrise. Now I have to do is hope there's coffee and breakfast here. I'm starving. This charming little place in August for breakfast. Oh, I'm so happy. It didn't take long to walk here. This is so cute. This little cafe is adorable. Smells good. Listen to the music though. August is a charming town. I wish I could have stayed here last night, but they were full. It was cool looking. Lots of cute buildings. So I'm right outside of Atapuerca, and this bull sign is here, but I think someone put an eye and a nice smile on him. So we're at Atapuerca, and if you're into evolution, if you want to come see the archaeology here, this is where it's at. I think this building that's back here. I'm not gone to that. I think you need to spend a day here, and I think all the tours and stuff are in Spanish. Go to the Evolution Museum in Burgos instead. It's all in English. But if you want to see the sights, they're out here. Supposedly, this is the only hill we've got today. That's been gradually going uphill. As you can see, there's Atapuerca back there. A nice big sheep farm. It's a lovely day here. Not too hot, but it's going to get hot later, so I'm going to get going. I've only got a few more kilometers to go to the next town. Pretty much made it to the top of the hill. It's 9 o'clock. Gorgeous view. These weird flowers here, I don't know what they are. I thought the hill was done, but it's not. We got another little one going on here. This is a really rocky trail. You really have to watch your step, like everywhere. It's clear here. A little bit ago it was like super rocky. Most of the way this morning has been like this. It's full of rocks. You have to pick your way. And this is why I'm glad I wear boots and not like trail runners. I think my feet would be killing me with trail runners with all these rocks. So I stood here in the middle of this sun circle. See what kind of energy I can get for today. You can walk around, you can just stand here. It's in all four corners. I'm coming down the hill after Atapuerca. This looks like Burgos off there in the distance because that's a huge city. And there's two little cities in front of us. One of them is mine, where I'm going to. I think about 2 more kilometers to go. 10 o'clock. Burgos is off there in the distance. We're not going to Burgos today though. It's beautiful here. It's warm. For those of you coming soon, I would get a UHV hand freeze umbrella because it's going to get hot soon. It is 10:47. I've made it to my goal for today. I'll go check into my Albergue Santa Fe in this little town. Looks like there's about 3 or 4 albergues here for all those people that want to stay outside of Burgos. It says it's 20 degrees here. It feels like it's like 30. I'm just sweating. It's really hot. This is my albergue for tonight. Albergue Santa Fe. I've checked into my albergue. This is Albergue Santa Fe. And this is just about, I think, somewhere between 7 and 10 kilometers outside of Burgos. And you have these places here to put your backpacks. You have real sheets and pillowcases. They have blankets, and they have shower gel and shampoo. These are facilities. So for my room, we have a men and women's bathroom and a men and women's shower. It looks like they've got enough space in here to get dressed, shower. Oh, there's a light. Ta-da! Pretty little church. Looks like they're doing lots of work on it, but using concrete brick instead of stone. Their sundial up at the top is broken. This must be the steps up to the bell tower. That's right here next to the front door. And this is our small church for this town. It's up on a hill with their tiny cemetery behind. I don't know if I can get closer or not. Hold on. And as usual, there's some gigantic bells in these small churches and these small towns. I just find it amazing.